Bless up to all my new viewers and subscribers. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit that little notification bell. So when I put up new video, you can get notified.
What is on the fire today?
Some saltfish in coconut milk. In Jamaica we call it saltfish rundown.
Okay.
And some pumpkin dumpling.
Oh, yo.
For the punch, I'm going to make some potato, sweet potato with carrot. Sweet potato and carrot punch.
Yeah, that one the new at first. Maybe that, but me curious to taste it. Sweet potato and carrot punch. Wow.
This a thing I got turn up.
Alright.
Well, I'm going to set up the fire now. Yeah. Me go put in a dumpling now. Mama so special. Pumpkin dumpling.
Misty, big up yourself. Pumpkin dumpling, mama so special. Why? Help mama so you make up the fire. Keep the fire blazing, you know. Keep the fire blazing. Dog. Favorite dog. Make up your eyes. Pot load up, mama, so.
Just stir it, man. You have to stir it up.
Pumpkin dumpling. Wow. Look real good. What up, mama? So coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Pumpkin dumpling look good, me not lie. First, I'm gonna try it, you know.
Must be a first. Yeah, to boil. I told me I have to put something. Yeah, go put some now.
No, no, they must put this in the don't put this on the seat. You have one and stuff.
Put two in there. Onion, sweet pepper, tomato, okra. This is the carrot and the sweet potato. I'm going to put them in the pot now to pre-cook them to make the punch. See the peeps? We just put in the saltfish. I'm going to add little black pepper now. And stir.
Yeah, peeps. Mama, so I get down to the final round, you know. What is again, Susan? What name? Saltfish rundown.
Saltfish rundown with okra.
And vegetables in it. Bell pepper and scotch
Onion.
bonnet pepper, onion and all them something there. Okay, these are the sweet potato and carrot. Ready for take off for the punch.
Yeah.
See what I going over here, so. Yeah, pumpkin, dumpling, banana, and piece of yam. Ready.
Yes, peeps, me go blend up the pumpkin, sweet potato, and carrot. Right now, me have the milk, almond, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, guineas, and supplement.
Oh, yo. Buck up in now.
Well, the second batch, I had some peanut and oats, so I'm going to mix them together.
Buck up in now. Punch them. Yeah, man, mama saw the thing look up.
Up.
Yeah, Misty. Try and tell me what I go.
Woo!
Ready?
It's a apple.
Ready. Let me see what I go on now. Yeah, man, the man behind the camera, you know? What I go on? Hold on. Hey, what I go? Okay. Yeah. Punch them. Mama saw on the crew. Number one. Do the right thing, man. Do the right thing. And you know what's the right thing? Like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell. Mama said you make it, but give a review panel. And you make it tasty and give a review and tell. But yeah.
This is one you turn up.
Turn up.
Versatile.
Trouble. Trouble is there. Trouble is there. See it here? Saltfish run down, but I'm going to move this. Let me move this over here. Put here some of my soul. Shear out time, you know.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Real up on the punch already, you know, peeps. No joke.
It's a wicked and wild.
Mm-hmm. Big up Colors TV. You don't know. We so link up, brother. Mama So and Colors TV link up. So in due time. Big up. Original Socks, big up. Mama So.
Kenta,
Eh.
Murphy, Theodore,
Mm-hmm.
and the rest of crew.
You
Big
don't
up.
know.
You don't know.
Mama
This
So
a Mama
kitchen.
So kitchen.
So link up with them,
Soon
man.
link up with you, no, man.
In due time.
This a one that going wicked.
See it, you know, peeps. Trouble. Yeah, man, I eat time, you know. You don't know. So you don't know. Mama So more, you big up the people, and me already subscribe, the people, and me already comment, like, share, the whole thing. And make sure, you know, when you subscribe, hit the notification bell. So you don't know when Mama So put something else on the menu. You don't know, you see what I go on. Mama So, big up your subscribers and your viewers and
Big
your new
up.
people. Them.
Big up to all my new viewers and subscribers, and those who are not yet subscribed. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit that little notification bell. So when I put up new video, you can get notified.
Yeah, man, right, that's so. Yeah, man, people, do the right thing, no, man. You know what is the right thing. Like, share, subscribe. Mama So special again. See it there? Run down. In a coconut milk with okra and a baga. So, what you say, Misty?
Can't talk right now. My phone, my phone.
Trouble. Jano star Papito sleep level food.
People, they turn up bad. Me not just tell you. Me tell you say turn up. Good turn up.
Tell them do the right
Yeah,
thing.
man,
Because
do
them
the
know
right
what is
thing.
right thing, you know?
You don't know already, man. You don't know already, man. Like, share, comment, and hit that notification button. Let me say, so you can get notification again.
And remember, most importantly, subscribe to the thing.
Subscribe.
Yeah, man, Mama So thing. Mama So, you large, yard and broad, big up.
Big up,
Mama
big
So.
up, big up.